Welcome. You're back in the basement with Bubba. I can only imagine what you're thinking seeing this, my man cave. This is Bubba's man cave. I'll give you a little better look. All right. Imagine your thoughts. I know when I get most of the ladies come down here, you know, my wife, friends, this is the expression I get from most of them. But hey, one person said, hey, it looks like a 12-year-old lives down here. But what I want to share with you today is how my viral video, over 19 million views, how it went viral. And I tell the story of that and how I'm using this to feed my retirement. My YouTube channel and my viral video, hopefully is going to feed my retirement, continue to feed it. Right now it's just a trickle at 49,000 subscribers plus, but it's growing. And I need to get more. I just started tagging products. If you want to help support an old man, like, subscribe, and share this video. Help me in my retirement. I'm 64 years old. I started drawing my Social Security 2 years ago. My retirement, I paid in all those years, and I started drawing at 62. I can make a limited income until I'm like 67. Then my income will be unlimited again. It can be unlimited income after that point. But anyhow, so I consider myself semi-retired, and I want to tell you today how my video went viral and how my viral video is going to help feed my retirement. All right, so let's start out. I'll tell you the story about the viral video. It started out with a 288-pound watermelon that I was towing around with my 2,043-pound pumpkin. Let me show you here, right here. I will show you. I got a few pieces I'll show you. This is my wife, my grandson Jackson, me and my wife. We grew a Michigan State record pumpkin, and we took it to Hamilton, Ohio, winning $7,000 new site record. That was 2017. Well, after bringing that pumpkin back home, my friend Chris Kent had given me a 288-pound watermelon to take back to Michigan to show off with the pumpkin, and we would tow the pumpkin around Michigan selling raffle tickets. You could win the pumpkin or $300, your choice. And we were raising money for the Spirit of Alexandria Foundation to send kids to camp at the Howell Nature Center in Michigan. It's pretty cool stuff. I'll show you. Right here is a poster that the Spirit of Alexandria made up for me so that we had the raffle number and everything down here. Spirit of Alexandria, check out, I'm sure they have a website. And if you're ever in Michigan, go to the Howell Nature Center. It's really cool. They rescue animals. They have a monarch butterfly exhibit. It's a really cool place. That's my cousins. The Spirit of Alexandria Foundation is my cousins, pretty much by marriage. But anyhow, there we go. So I'm towing this watermelon around, okay? And a lady approached me and said, hey, can I buy that watermelon? How can I buy that watermelon? First she asked me, is it any good to eat? And I said, they're okay. They have decent flavor. I think the flavor's decent personally, but I like collard greens. You know, I like spinach. But they're a little mushy. The texture's funky, a little mushy. But anyways, so we set up a deal. I said, let me think about it. So I saw her at a bar, Kicker's Bar in Grand Blanc, Michigan. I said, let me come back. I'll be back here in a few days to sell raffle tickets again. I'll let you know. So I told her when I came back, I said, tell you what, I make a deal with you. You can have the watermelon for $50, but you got to give me the seeds back. That's the kicker, because I think that's pretty reasonable. $50 is pretty reasonable for a 288-pound watermelon. So we deliver the watermelon. I'll try not to be too long-winded here. We deliver the watermelon to her house when we're done with it. And I can't get that little thing off my glasses, but anyhow, we carry the watermelon in the house. We set it on the counter, and I asked her, she had couple gentlemen there with a knife. You'll see in the video. I'll link this to the video. It went viral. They started cutting open the watermelon. I asked her, hey, do you mind if I make a video? She said, no, go ahead, make a video. So the video is only like 1 minute and 37 seconds long. All right. And it didn't go viral. They cut open the watermelon. I make the video. I publish it. It doesn't go viral till 5 months later. 5 months later, my grandson and I, Jackson, are driving across the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, headed to Wisconsin to go to a giant pumpkin growing seminar. And all of a sudden my phone goes nuts. And that first day, it grew 250,000 views. And like, wow, man, that video's on fire. And it was only, like I say, 1 minute and 37 seconds long. And then the next day, we're at the motel, staying at the seminar, met up with all of our friends, Wisconsin Giant Pumpkin Growers Club, awesome people, awesome place to grow giant pumpkins, Wisconsin. And so anyways, we are at this seminar, and at that day, it got 1 million views. So anyhow, the video was doing quite well. It soared for a while. My YouTube channel was a roller coaster. It was that first month, April, it made $1,672 that month. I was like, wow, this is cool. And so, and then it went, it went down to 800 and 700 and 500. It kind of feathered. It took a few months to feather down. But now, today, here we are, that was like 2017, I grew that pumpkin. So that was 2018, it went viral. And now here we are 7 years later. It's over 19 million views, and it has grossed over $11,000. Which you may say, well, that's not a lot for that many views. But keep in mind, the video was only 1 minute and 37 seconds long. So anyhow, it brought me on a ton of subscribers. A lot of people are like, man, Travis Ginger, the world record giant pumpkin holder. Well, he just currently got his title was taken, but he held the record for a couple of years. 2,749 pound world record giant pumpkin. He just laughed. He goes, you got 50,000 subscribers. And he kind of laughed. He was like, how'd you pull that off? Well, a lot of it had to do with that viral video, bringing on subscribers. But my channel involves growing giant pumpkins, Bubba's Home Fix-It tips. And now I'm really not super tech savvy. Some people think, oh, you're tech savvy for an old man. And my channel is now 12 years old. But I'm going to use the YouTube channel. I sell giant pumpkin seeds at worldwidegiantgrowers.com. And the YouTube videos bring giant pumpkin growers to my channel. I just had a phone call today. I get a phone call just a couple hours north of me. A gentleman's trying to buy seeds. He's 80 years old. He can't figure it out. So he's mailing me a check. I said, hey, if you want, we can go old school. Just mail me a check, and I'll send you the seeds. So anyways, so I'm using pumpkin seeds to feed my retirement. What I do to make it in retirement, I don't have a big General Motors pension, no pension, just a Social Security, and I'm still working part-time. I'm semi-retired, remodeling bathrooms, fixing toilets here and there. I work 20 hours a week. Some weeks I don't work at all. Some weeks 30 hours. It varies. But I'm in pretty good shape. I eat good. How do I save money in retirement? People ask that all the time. I tell you, one thing I do to save money in retirement is I drink water. I stopped drinking Mountain Dews in my 40s. I used to pump Mountain Dew every day, 2 Mountain Dews a day. Stopped doing that, and now I drink water. Much healthier. Sugar's poison. I know you don't want to hear the preaching, but what a big savings. And especially when I go out to restaurants, I tell the waitress, hey, just water with lemon in it. And I eat the lemon, skin and all, because the vitamins and nutrients are in the skin. They're in the lemon. They're in the seeds. The seeds contain more nutrients than the lemon flesh. So I eat the lemon. People look at me like, wow, look at that guy. He's eating the lemon. But I eat a lot of nuts. I don't buy potato chips. I eat nuts. But I save money not buying pop. You go to a restaurant, wow, you take that pop off the bill. The savings is spectacular. And it leaves more money to leave a generous tip. I like to tip my servers 30% if I can, if they deserve it. If they don't deserve it, they might only get 10%. They might get nothing. If they give me a really lousy service, they get nothing. I'm kind of rambling on here, but the viral video I'm going to use, if you could, support my channel. Like the videos, subscribe. I can tell you that video, what's the secret to that video? The title of the video, 288-pound watermelon, cut open, look inside in parentheses. That was the title. I think title is more than anything else. Dan the Creator, I've been following Dan the Creator on YouTube to help try to increase my traffic on my website. I'd like to get to that next level, 100,000 subscribers. And I think I have the fuel, the personality, the website, exciting, fishing with the grandkids, giant pumpkins. We've won the Michigan State Fair 3 times, not bragging, just telling you, over a 25-year period, we've won the Michigan State Fair 3 times. That's pretty cool. There's guys that drive from Pennsylvania to try to get it and have won it. And so to be able to do that, it's quite an accomplishment. I mean, just patting myself on the back, but we've also won thousands and thousands of dollars growing the giant pumpkins. And it didn't start out easy. It wasn't easy. The first few years, I lost my plants to viruses, and it was a struggle. And, back in '96, I started growing giant pumpkins. But it's something to look forward to. It's anticipation and suspense, like Christmas to a child, growing the giant vegetables, hanging out with the grandchildren. And but just to share a little bit, I don't want to get too long. I'm a big Elvis fan. I love Elvis. I think he got lost in the world. He definitely had a short life. He left too early, but I'm a big Elvis fan. I have a velvet Elvis. Here's my velvet Elvis. It needs a little repair. Put it back in the frame. But these are pretty cool, man. They're collectibles. They're definitely collectors. They're worth about $400 now. It's a big picture poster size frame of velvet Elvis, which they came out of Mexico. They were hand painted. And I have one of those my sister gifted me with that she found at a church auction. So I'm a big Elvis fan. So, hey, if you would, follow my channel and help me. I'll help you in your retirement, how you can save money in your retirement. You help me. Please share my videos, subscribe, and we'll have fun in the garden. Bubba's Home Fix-It Tips. I can show you how to save money. I can show you how to get that clogged faucet. I have a video. I'll put a link in the description box. How to fix that slow drain in your bathroom sink. How to fix the slow faucet and the slow drain. 2 different ways, 2 different things. Easy ways to caulk. I just put out a long video, kind of long-winded video on caulking. I've got 45 years remodeling experience. I know all the wrong, you can put the wrong caulks in the wrong place. Some people like to put silicone on everything. They silicone everything. Not a good idea. Silicone has its place, but that's another video. But anyways, I'm going to cut this short, but that's how my $19 million, my 19 million view video went viral. All right, check it out. 288-pound watermelon cut open, look inside. Please join me for more videos and Bubba's How To Fix It, Jack and Bubba's Fishing Playlist. All right, and I'll thank you very much for joining me today. Please share, like, and share this video. All right, join us at Keep It a Secret Home and Garden on YouTube for growing giant pumpkins, remodeling, and more. Bubba's Fish Clips, Jack and Bubba, join us.